Okay.
Good morning, welcome back to Couture. This morning we're going to work with the butterfly cutters. We've got some cutters here that are ejector cutters, which make it easy for you to get the shapes out of the cutters, and they also emboss the butterflies at the same time. There are 3 sizes, so you can make your butterflies to suit the occasion. I'm going to use a little bit of fondant icing, straight out fondant. I'm just going to roll it out. If your icing sticks to your rolling pin at any time, just use a tiny amount of corn flour to dust it, and that will prevent your rolling pin from sticking. Just rolling that out nice and thin. Then I'm going to be using the butterfly cutter. I'm going to rub it on the board so that it picks it up in the cutter. Place it back on the board, press the plunger, and that will emboss it. And we have our little butterfly. At this stage we can just pick the butterfly up, give it a little bit of a tweak in the middle, and we can lay that in some folded paper. Just match up the fold, and that will then dry in the butterfly shape. A second way of using the cutters is to use 2 cutters for the same butterfly and variegate them a little bit. I'm just going to do exactly the same as I did for the first butterfly by just cutting it out first. Embossing it and ejecting it. I'm then going to use a second colour roll the icing out nice and thin, and using a smaller cutter, cutting it out the same way, embossing it the same way, and also ejecting it, you've got a smaller butterfly. I'm using a little bit of gum glue on a brush. This is an edible glue, and putting a little bit of glue onto the first butterfly. I can then take the pink butterfly, overlap it onto the yellow one, and you've got a 2-coloured butterfly. The same thing again, you can just fold it and place it into the paper to rest. And as a finishing touch, you can just take a little bit of the edible glitter and just dust that gently onto the butterflies to make it sparkle. And what little girl wouldn't want to have sparkles on her butterflies? Thank you for watching Couture. We'll see you next time.